What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. Well, you know what? We decided to go prawning, guys. Go prawning with Jessie girl. Say hi, Jess. Jess is gonna attempt to get some prawns, guys. Just a quick little harvest. Hopefully we'll harvest something. But yeah, got the backpack, got the drone in there. While Jess is catching prawns, I'll be flying the drone. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, the like, and don't forget to comment if you have any questions, guys. But what I'm working with, got the pepper spray. It's actually Jess's pepper spray. Got the GoPro right there. I don't have the case on, I just have the skeleton case, so I hope the audio is better because I was getting tired of that bad audio, guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, that's about it. Got some water jugs that I have to load, and then that's it. Let's go, guys.